So, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a monsoon out here. And there's Carter, acting like nothing's up. Still out there playing on his slide. There's the water slide. Oh. It's getting cold. Oh my gosh, babe, we really need to get him out of this. He's not even affected by this.
He like doesn't care at all.